Presentation Step 3. My name is Juan José Mendoza Leal. What activities do you do day at work? I am going to present what activities do the day at work. I have been working in the films raising cat for 10 years. I have some cows from which I get milk every day to sell and to obtain a source of income that allows me to support myself and my family. In addition to this, I share a love for agriculture. I have a sugar cane crop and some fruit trees. Activities to keep in activities to keep me cows in good condition is the work and apply vitamins inhibited and concentrate base of mineral salts that help strengthen their productive system in addition to supplying them with water and pasture at will. Or what do you relate when to your work and source of income? Or thanks much respect our planet, which is our main source to obtain our products to feed ourselves and serve taking care of our natural environment will always be our greatest wealth to live in peace and harmony. Thank you.